Take a moment and imagine making dinner. You thought you had everything you needed, but it turns out you're missing one main ingredient: peppers. Instead of worrying, you walk outside and get all the peppers you need. While you're there, you find some lettuce and cucumbers and decide to make a salad. Now, I know it's not that easy, but it can be. It all starts in your backyard where you can create your produce aisle. I'm referring to a backyard garden. A backyard garden has many benefits, and has comfort and ease. Through this speech, I will convince you to grow your own garden. Everyone needs to eat, and everyone pays to eat. By growing by growing your garden, you could do both for a smaller amount and stress less about the foods you need. If you are open to growing a garden, then you are ready to start benefiting yourself and the environment. First, I will talk about the health benefits of growing your own garden, how much money you could be saving, and how you could be helping the environment. Like I just said, growing a garden comes with many health benefits, but now let me tell you what they are. We could find this by understanding the health benefits of having accessible produce, the benefit of that produce, and the benefit of being in control of the process. Growing your garden is where the benefits begin to show. Once you put time into your garden and gotten your desired results, you're going to want to harvest. The food that you just harvested is fresh and healthy. When you're out of food in the house, you would usually go to the store or order in. This costs you time and money. These are not the healthiest habits and can cause you to eat low nutrients foods just to eat. Therefore, having a garden full of nutrient dense snacks and ingredients can help you maintain healthy habits. This might not be enough of a health benefit for you to go through the efforts of creating a garden, but I could still change your mind. According to Nicole Flowers, Growing Your Own Garden Vegetables to Benefit Your Health and Environment 2020, gardening can benefit your health in many ways. This includes nutrients from the food and the sun. We also cannot forget the small but effective amounts of exercise we get from gardening. Being able to control what you eat and when you eat it is more important than you think. When you're not in control, you are risking exposure to chemicals and low nutrient produce. Being able to control what tools to use to help the plants grow helps you keep toxicity out of your diet. Along with that, being able to choose when to harvest can benefit you. The ripeness of the fruits or vegetables affects the nutrients inside, giving you an advantage when you are harvesting yourself, just like Heidi Godman explains in Backyard Gardening 2012. While we all worry about our health, there is a good chance most of you also worry about the money going into it. Fruits and vegetables get expensive. However, they are important. So how do we save on these items? According to the National Garden Bureau, 7 benefits of raised garden beds 2023. In order to save, you can't go all out on your home garden. All you need is a raised garden bed and some tools. A raised garden bed has the benefits of soil control, low cost, and protection from wildlife. In total, you could be spending $100 to $200 to begin making your profit. According to Phyllis Pugnetti's Save on Food Costs, on average, each household that has a food garden spends around $70 a year maintaining and growing plants in their garden. But their return is even greater. On average, they save around $600, giving a $530 return. With returns like this, one can see why it is worth putting the money into their own garden. We have seen how growing your garden benefits oneself, so now let's dive into how we could benefit something else and give back. When I say give back to something, I'm referring to the world and our environment. Growing a garden gives you the opportunity to give back to the earth that gives you so much. For starters, commercial farming pollutes the air. You would be reducing your own footprint in this situation by not using any pollutants. In 2022, Chinda Vaughn in Cornell Call's Home Gardening for Life told us we could help the environment through our own home gardens. We could do this through using our organic food waste and scraps and composting with them. This can help give back nutrients along with eliminate waste. Even though this all takes time, effort, and money, it will be worth it when you're benefiting yourself and the world. Through this speech, we learned how we can help ourselves, our wallets, and the world. Along with that, we also learned why it's important. Gardening can be fun, but needs effort. I hope through this speech you are convinced why it is worth the efforts. Thank you.